This one, well, you can see the answer is an arctan function. So, but what we're trying to think about is, I remember the derivative of arctan. So let me give you the backstory here. If we have the arctan of some function, we know that the derivative of that, if I'm trying to find the derivative of that, that works out to be, well, let's see here. Well, 1 over 1 plus x squared, and then dx. I guess we don't need that. So that's that. So if you see this, you know the antiderivative of that is just arctan. I guess I wrote u here. I guess let's write x. Okay, so that's what you recognize. So this kind of looks like that, except wouldn't it be nice? What is not nice is this is the 25 isn't 1, and there's a 1 on top. So the 1 on top we can make be, well, we can get rid of the 21 on top, because isn't that just 21 times the integral of 1 over 25 plus 4r squared dr. So we're okay with that 1, but we really need to make the denominator be in this form. So the trick is we're gonna factor out of the denominator. We're gonna factor out a 25. So I'm gonna write this as 25 times 1 plus 4 over 25 r squared. Okay, and that's, of course, I got the 21 out here. So that becomes 21 over 25 integral 1 over, now I still would like to know something squared there, right? And if you think about it, well, isn't that just 2 over 5r quantity squared dr? Okay. And so far I haven't used any u substitution. Well, now's the trick. So we're going to say u, actually it's quite a trick up to this point too, but we'll say u equals 2/5 r. So that way we have this as 1 over 1 plus u squared, and that's the arctan, right? That looks very familiar. But to get there, we'll say du equals 2/5 dr, which means that's going to be 5 over 2 du equals dr. So then we have that here. Let me write that up here. So we've got this 5 over 2 that we're multiplying the 21 over 25 by. So I think that becomes integral of 21 over 10 of 1 over 1 plus u squared du. Okay. Compare this to what I did on paper. Yep. Okay, now we'll do the antiderivative of that. Well, the antiderivative of 1 over 1 plus u squared is arctan. So 21 over 10 arctan of u plus a constant, when we know that u is 2/5, what did I say that? 2/5 r. So 21 over 10 arctan. And of course, myLab won't let you write arctan. They'll want you to write it out this way, of 2 over 5r plus a constant. And that's that antiderivative.